Lakeside Renovation Design Weather Deck. I'm meteorologist Chris Higgins. The deck is behind me. It's oh so close to being done. We're going to talk a bit here in a little bit with Matthew Jennings from Lakeside about where we are in the process and what we can expect. But right now we need to talk about weather, and the weather's a little breezy out here right now. As we take a look from the power Doppler, it at least is rain-free. There's no rain in and around the immediate metro St. Louis area, but the further north and west you go, we do have some rainfall. There's a dying complex of storms moving out of western into central Missouri, and that complex of storms will come up, and it may clip our northern and western communities later this afternoon or later this morning, early this afternoon. But the main risk time for us here in the metro for rain will be early afternoon through about the evening rush hour. You can see that spike in the chances for rain as we head into the evening rush hour, then diminishing rain heading into the overnight. As we look live right now from above, we're looking at some beautiful conditions over at Eckert's in Belleville. Latest temperature 66 degrees. It's comfortable, but it is a little on the breezy side. Make sure those trash cans are battened down. They might blow across the driveway. South-southeast winds at 14 miles an hour. Temperatures today up to around 75 degrees. Mainly dry this morning. The chances for thunderstorms will roll in this afternoon, especially after 2 or 3 o'clock and into the evening drive. Tonight, the rain and storms most likely this evening. Some gusty winds and hail with the stronger storms early on. Low temperature down to 52. Tomorrow, opening day for the Cardinals, and opening day does come with a chance for some rain showers. High temperature of 58 degrees with a lot of clouds. Then on Friday, we dry out. 73 degrees your high temperature. Saturday, some morning showers. It's a day game for the Cardinals, but I think the rain moves out. 65 for your high. Sunday makes for a perfect weekend, or almost perfect. Partly sunny and a high of 73 degrees. We are live again out here with the Lakeside Renovation Design Weather Deck. Not quite ready for me to go up and walk on, Matthew, to get a weathercast in, but we're not far away from completion, are we?
We're not. So we're moving right along. Obviously, you guys can see the fireplace right over the wall. The fireplace is set in place. We have our fuel lines hooked up, our electrical is hooked up, so we are ready at this point to start stoning over in and around the fireplace. And also, as you can see, a lot of our solid surface siding everything is getting wrapped and protected. So we're getting there. Our stone is almost complete and mortared in.
The fireplace, I want to go back to the fireplace. Is the fireplace something, old-time decks, no fireplace, it's pretty much standard, but that's become a bigger thing lately, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's become a huge thing. And again, I think you've said in the past is that on these breezy, warm, cold days, you want to sit out somewhere with your coffee, and it becomes a warm, cozy environment. So yeah, we see that a lot.
And ours is not a wood burning, it's a gas burning, right?
Yep.
Propane, correct?
Correct.
We're doing it, but
Yep.
You have the option depending on where you're at?
Yep, natural gas or propane, we can do both.
The siding on this, talk to me a little bit about the type of siding that you're putting up on here, because that doesn't look like straight wood.
Nope, so there's a mix here. So what we install a lot of James Hardie fiber cement siding. So what we see on the posts are wrapped in boral, and the rest of it is James Hardie fiber cement siding.
Outstanding, very sturdy stuff. Can't wait to get out there. Matthew, we'll talk more about what's going on out here with the weather deck coming up in the next hour.